How to check if iPhone's battery has been replaced. To check if an iPhone's battery was replaced, you can simply go to Settings and then you can simply scroll down and go to General. From General, what you want to do is you'll find a section called Parts and Service History. So if the Parts and Service History section is present, then that means some parts has been changed, and you will see options like genuine Apple part or unknown part or used part, indicating replacement with unknown meaning third party, while the absence of this section means the battery is original or the phone is older. But remember that this indication will only show for iPhone 15 and above or iOS 18 and above. And also, if you're not seeing parts and service history on a latest iPhone, on the latest iOS version, it probably means that none of the parts have been changed. Second thing you can do is you can go to battery and also check battery health. Sometimes if your battery health is 100%, so it's quite an old phone, like 2 or 3 years old phone that maybe you're purchasing, but you see 100% battery health, which is not possible unless the iPhone was not used at all, then in that case you could be suspicious that the iPhone's battery was probably tampered with. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.